What's up guys, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, we will look at how to import, export and apply motion graphics templates. So we have this really awesome looking cinematic title that we created in the last tutorial, and if you haven't watched that, I would suggest you to watch it because we did learn some really cool stuff in there. Now, Premiere allows us not only to save this as a template for future use, but we can also export it out of Premiere to share it with our friends, or even if you're thinking of a commercial use. So first of all, let's see how to save this as a template. So it's very simple, and all I need to do is right click on my graphics layer and then select export as motion graphics template. Now in this dialog box, I will set a name for my template. So I'm going to name this one as cinematic border title, and for now I'm going to leave the destination as local templates folder, and then if you want to have a thumbnail or not, we can either tick or untick this box. And then we have these compatibility options that are really self-explanatory. Now the first one will let Premiere to warn you if the fonts that are used in the motion graphics template are available in your program or not. If not, then you can install the fonts, otherwise Premiere will use the available fonts. Then if you take the next option, Premiere will tell you if certain effects in your motion graphics template are included or not. And then finally, the last one will enable Premiere to let you know if your template is compatible with Premiere Rush or not. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now let's click OK and give it a few seconds so it can complete the export. Okay, now if I want to use this template, I can just go into my essential graphics panel and then click on this browse, and I can then either type in the name of my title if I can remember, otherwise I can just scroll through these templates that are available here and find the one that I'm looking for. In this case, obviously, because I just created one, so I can clearly remember the name of my title. So I'm going to type in here cinematic border title, and here it is. Here's the template. So all I need to do now is drag and drop this one on my timeline like this, and that's it now. So let me play this and see how it's working, and it's playing perfectly. Now because this template was created in Premiere, so you do have the option of making changes if you want to, but there will be times when you will import a motion graphics template in Premiere that was created in another application like After Effects. So in that case, your ability to make changes will not be the same. Now that's how you can save a motion graphics template in your local templates folder. Now if I want to export this template out of Premiere, then I'm going to do the same and right click on my graphics layer. Now click on export, and rather than selecting my local templates, I'm going to select the local drive and will then specify the location where I want this to be saved. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now you can share this template with your friends or put it on your website, or basically do whatever you want to do. So yeah, that's how you can export a template out of Premiere. Now if I want to import a motion graphics template in my program, I can either go in the graphics tab at the top and select install motion graphics template and then choose the template from my local drive, or I can go in the essential graphics panel, and in the browse tab there is this small icon in the bottom right corner. So I'm just going to click here and then choose install motion graphics template, and now I can choose the template. So I have this one on my desktop, and then click OK, and that's really it. Now I'm just going to drag it and drop it on my timeline, but before that I need to find this one. So again, I'm going to type in here, so cinematic. Okay, so there it is. Now I'm just going to drag it and drop it on my timeline. And so yeah, guys, this is how simple it is to export, import and apply motion graphics template in Premiere. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. If there's anything you want to ask, feel free to drop that in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm now going to see you in the next video. So till then, you take care of yourself.